I was working on this Flutter project for an app that I built called the Uptill app. And the app basically just helps you keep track of upcoming events that you have coming up. That's all the app does. And every couple of years, I try to update the app, right? As much as I can. And I was trying to update it this year, and I wanted to add iOS widgets to the app. Let me add unit test. When I started this app, it was in 2020. I was fresh out of college. I didn't know what unit test was. With years of experience now, I'm like, all right, let me add some sort of testing. And I hadn't written test to test widgets. So I was like, man, this thing is new to me. I went, I read the documentation. I was like, oh, yeah, it looks simple. When I then went to go write the test for my own, code, it was like, man, it would have taken me days or if not weeks. And I was like, man, I didn't have time to do this. Then I heard of Cursor AI, the thing, and I was like, oh, yeah, I can simply just use Cursor AI, absolutely. So I downloaded it and I was like, hey, write unit test for the login.dart file. And it was like, oh, sure. And it just generated like 7-8 tests. And I was like, yo. And I was going through the test and it actually made sense. Everything it was testing for, it was doing a lot of stuff. I was like, yo. This is great.
Nice.
I really don't, whoa, okay. You know what I mean? I was like, this is amazing.
Yeah.
And I ran the test. They all failed.
Yeah.
Yep. They all failed.
Yep.
And I was like, oh, okay. The test in theory looked great, what they're testing for, but all of the tests failed. And I went to go try to figure out why the tests were failing. And I felt hopeless. I felt aimless because that wasn't my code.